So the two competing corporate businesses that I looked up are Chick-fil-A and Popeye's Chicken, and I focused on these two because of the internet jokes going around about who has the better spicy chicken sandwich. But anyways, Chick-fil-A's mission statement is, be America's best quick service restaurant, to glorify God by being a faithful steward of all that is entrusted to us, to have a positive influence on all who come in contact with Chick-fil-A. And Popeye's mission statement is, at Popeyes, our leadership team is on a mission to increase franchisee success in every facet of the business. Profitably and service excellence are achieved with a focus on 5 strategic pillars that guide every business decision. The 5 pillars of success are: build a distinctive brand, create memorable experiences, grow restaurant profits, accelerate quality restaurants, and develop servant leaders. So, after looking at both of those mission statements, I think it's clear that Popeyes has the better mission statement because they really hit every point that is needed in a mission statement per the definition about the organization's purpose, customers, products, and services. Chick-fil-A more so just talks about their values. So anyways, Popeye's mission statement is definitely better.